Yes, sir. Damn, it is your boy Coleman about another video.
Overall, it's a pretty good shoe.
I let her blue race, cheat on my pet.
Oh, dope.
Addicted to sex, I got
It just copped the Paul George's.
Don't mean that it's bad. I clean up real nice, I don't got.
Yes, sir. Hi, it is your boy Coleman back with another video, bro. Today, bro. If you guys don't follow me on the gram, what are you doing? Like, dude, what are you doing? We are about to do, you know, a little unboxing. Well, it's not a little. It's a huge box, bro. You get what I'm saying? Bro, this thing is huge, bro. Oh my gosh, we got a big package today. Like I said, if you don't follow me on the gram, what are you doing, bro? If you follow me on the gram, you would have known I won the Nike Fear of Gods off Nike sneakers. Now, this is my probably like first official good like resale profitable win that I've got from Nike sneakers. Let me put this down because this is heavy. And I finally won, bro. So we're about to open these. Finna show you guys. I might try on the foot or whatever, but I got the Fear of Gods, bro. The orange colorway struck out on the green, but I mean, bro, everybody strikes on Nike sneakers. Y'all seen the Snkrs video? I'm still heard about that, but you know, we gotta keep living. We gotta keep living because we got the Fear of Gods now. So now I know the Nike sneakers app isn't broken, because I'm not gonna cap, bro. I just thought it was, I don't know, bro. I thought something was up. Like, it was either my account or like the people that were winning like paid them or it was some. I thought it was a app backdoor. I don't know what was going on, but I got my first W, you know, first for real W. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, bro. I'm most likely gonna drop my Supreme live cop video right after this, so make sure, you know, you ready, bro, because Supreme drops on Thursday. I don't know what I'm finna go for. I might go for the slippers, but I heard the retail is pretty high, so it could be a dub. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, bro. Make sure you like this video, bro, and we got some more content. And I know I'm talking a lot, bro, but also I'm gonna let y'all know I'm about to be doing like my own, like, I'm gonna be building my own sneaker wall. Like, you see the background behind me, blah blah blah, just, you know, the vape blankets and Supreme bags, stuff like that. I'm about to like take this all down and I'm finna build like my whole sneaker wall, and I'm gonna like record the progress. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that video, bro, because I cannot wait to drop that. Harrison Neville did inspire me. And without further ado, let's get straight into this. I'm looking for a knife. So I lost my Supreme knife, so I'm gonna use a pen. I'm gonna try and do this with a pen. But this thing is huge, bro. That Nike Just Do It tape, bro, is different. This, like, somebody really could have stolen my package. Like, why does Nike do that? I don't want to mark anything in here. Bro, I'm ready to see these. I've only seen those black like mid Fear Gods in person. I've never seen, like, I mean, I've seen the high top like original ones in person, like with somebody wearing them on feet, but I never got to hold another pair. Yes, sir. This may be on the sneaker wall, bro. Honestly, this may be on the sneaker wall. I don't know. I don't want to spoil too much stuff that I'm gonna put on the sneaker wall. I'm actually gonna go shopping for it too. I want to make it, you know, really dope. Put this plastic out. Okay, that was a fail. And here we go. But this box is huge. I don't know where to put this. This box is huge. So here we go. The Nike Air Fear God ones, bro. Takes up the whole screen, bro. Nike swoosh on this side. And that's basically it, you know, just the basic Nike stuff. But this is just a huge box. Come on, bro, just get out of here. Oh, and it does say Fear of God. If you can see right there. And then if y'all didn't know, Fear of God is actually like my favorite brand, and one of my favorite shoes is the Fear God Vans, and I have those have been for a while. Sounded like a fart, bro. What the world? Okay, so we're gonna take this top part off. Now, like I said, my favorite brand, bro. In the box, this is what we got so far. Ooh. I don't know what this is. I don't, bro, what? And okay, so this looks like a bag. I get, yeah, this is definitely a Nike bag. Okay, that's fine. We got a Nike bag. That's dope, bro. That's probably the first thing, you know, I've put up to the camera, and I like thought like, you know how like the camera like focus will like change, but I don't think it changed because like this is the only thing I've put up to the camera that's blacker than me. So yeah, we got the Nike bag. This is dope. Now, I don't know what is this? Like literally, what is this? It says Air Fear of God. I don't know what this is. Like I said, this is my first like Fear of God Nike unboxing. I don't know what this is. What is a snack, bro? Oh, these are laces. That's fire. The laces come in this bag. And then they're lace locks. Ooh, then the hang tag. Fear of God Nike hang tag. I don't know if y'all can see. I'll focus that up for y'all. Yes, sir. Nike swoosh on the back. Then you know we got these little lace locks. Got some just dang, I don't know if y'all can see, but there's some orange ones, and then we got some like orange or half orange, half see-through ones. So let me put these back in the bag. I thought it was a snack. What are in it? Okay, so now to the main part. The shoes, bro. The shoes. Put this over here. I'm ready to see these. They got the orange, you know, wrapping paper. Bruh, how much stuff I gotta go through to get to the shoes, bruh? Where did they put these in? Foil wrap, bruh? Trying to keep it so where the camera can see it. Okay. Here we go. Okay. These are tough. So this is what y'all heard the stuttering, but so this is what they look like, bro. Yeah, you see how like I'm a black like ant now. Let me take the other pair out right there. Here we go, bro. The Nike. Bro, I'm just that black. Like, golly. Hold on, let me turn this down, I guess. The Nike Fear of God ones, bro, in the orange, that bright orange colorway, bro. These are nice, bro. Like, why am I that black? Why? I really do like this. Like I said, this is my first like Fear of God like unboxing. Nike Air Fear of God, bro. So this, I love this. Like this icy like translucent sole with just the Nike swoosh right here. That's dope. Midsole is pretty cool. It's just like I know this is supposed to be a basketball shoe. I just actually don't understand how you would play basketball in this. Like, I don't know. These are tough though, bro. These are tough. I think resale is going for like close to $500. I'm not sure if it's at $500. Right here on the midsole we have Air Fear of God, and then I don't know what this is. SN832. I don't know what that means. Bro, I'm just happy to cut my first Nike, you know, sneakers purchase. Like, these is probably gonna have to go on the sneaker wall. These is tough. Like, I don't think I'm gonna come buy another pair of Fear Gods again unless I get those other new ones that's supposed to be dropping soon. But bro, I wanna try on a pair. I'm actually not gonna try these on as yet. I'm gonna keep these dead stock. I wanna see, you know, I might put these on the sneaker wall, I might sell them. So I'm not finna, you know, do anything, put my foot in them. I'm gonna just, you know, try and keep them as clean as possible. Although I still could put my foot in them and sell it, and you would never know. Stupid. But that's the end of this video, bro. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, bro. I just wanted to show y'all a quick new Nike sneakers pickup that I got in the mail today. These are tough though. I did not think these were gonna look like this. And yeah, I don't have an outro, so.